In this video, we're going to explore the precision set for the leather tattoo machine. We'll cover each of the 4 tools individually, discussing their unique purposes and how to get the best results from each one. First up is the detailed blade. It's designed to create very fine, detailed cut lines, perfect for intricate work where precision is key. For optimal performance, the detailed blade operates best between 6 and 8 volts. This range ensures a clean, controlled cut. When using the detailed blade, keep the leather tattoo machine in a mostly vertical position. The tip of the machine should point away from you, allowing you to utilize the top corner of the blade. You'll only need to use about 1/4 of the blade's edge when cutting into your leather. Take a look at the angle of the machine here. Notice how only the corner of the blade farthest from you is engaged when pulling lines. For the best results, always pull your lines. Start at the beginning of the line furthest from you, and in a smooth, continuous motion, pull it towards yourself. Next, we have the thick blade. This tool is intended to create much bolder lines than the detailed blade. With the thick blade, you'll still be using the top quarter of the blade, maintaining a vertical position with a slight angle to effectively utilize that portion. The thick blade also performs optimally within the 6 to 8 volts range, giving you consistent, strong lines. Now, let's talk about the undercutter. This tool is most comparable to a beveler or undercutter stamp in traditional leather work. Whenever I need to achieve the effect of a smooth bevel or an undercut, this is my go-to tool. For the best results, run the undercutter at around 7 volts. This provides the ideal balance of power and control. To use the undercutter effectively, place the sloped end right up against your cut. This alignment will give you the smooth, clean effect that mimics traditional leather tools. Lastly, we have the flat shader. This tool is similar to the round shader, but is specifically designed for very tight areas in your artwork. It's perfect for getting into small spaces and creating that stipple effect that you've come to love with the leather tattoo machine. For the flat shader, use a voltage range between 4 and 6 volts. To achieve the best stipple effect, move the flat shader in a sweeping motion, lightly pressing so the tips can gently dance on your leather artwork. I hope you found this overview helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to me on my socials.